So after all night charging, all night, you can see here, if I press this, just one green light is coming. And power button. For 10 seconds. Nothing. Power button. As you see, I'm clicking, click. Nothing. So what I have is a dead computer.